So friends, tell me, what is around us?
Air.
Air. And can you see the air?
No.
That is all. Can you smell it?
No. Yes.
No.
Can you smell
No.
the air? What is the smell of the air?
Can you tell me what is the smell of the air?
No.
What is the color of the air?
Transparent.
How many gases in the air? For example?
Nitrogen. Carbon dioxide, oxygen. There was another one. There are many more.
So, air is colorless, air is smellless, odorless, air is like you cannot see the air,
See.
but you cannot feel the normal air which is around us, but when it's storm, when it's heavy gush of air, then you can definitely feel it. But you cannot hold it, you cannot try to put it in a bag and something. So now Tanu teacher is going to show you that what happens when baking soda comes and reacts with vinegar.